repository, right boss? From local repository to central repository. Is that clear, my dear? Understanding my statement? Means what? Getting the code updations from central repository to local repository. Central repository to local repository. Is that clear, boss? Perfect. Yeah, Git servers means the one that will be installed in cloud environment, right, boss? Git client means the one that will be there with Eclipse IDE or alternate to Eclipse IDE. Alternate to Eclipse IDE, boss. Okay, now listen. Pull is nothing but collecting code from remote repository to local repository to working copy, boss. Working copy means the one that is there in Eclipse IDE. It will reflect also in working copy. Yeah. Shall we get into today's discussion? I hope everyone connected back. Yes, boss. Now listen. Whenever you are trying to maintain project in central repository, Mohan Reddy voice is not a problem from my side. Mohan Reddy, check your side. From my side, voice is perfect. Am I audible, guys? Am I loud and clear, guys? Any audio video issues? No, right? Any audio video issues, guys? No, not at all. Hey, Shihada, you want Google Drive link? Contact the admin. Contact the admin, please. Yes, now listen, boss. Everyone, please focus. Everyone, please focus. Git SVN working tree or directory structure in code repository. In code repository, how the project will be maintained. How the project will be maintained. Is that clear? That is what we are going to understand. First of all, we'll create repository on one per project, boss. We generally create repository in central Git software, guys. In central GitHub software, we create repository on one per project basis. Okay, na boss? Okay, boss. Tell me, boss. No. In SVN or Git central repository software, repositories will be created on one per project basis, right, boss? The repositories will be created on one per project basis. Listen, boss. For one project, one repository is created. So can I make it as project repository, boss? Project repository in central repository, project repository will be there. And the same thing reflects in local repository also. New terminologies, don't give up. Focus. Right. In that one, what will be created by? What are the things created? Tell me. Trunk or master branch. First wording I am introducing is trunk or master branch. Listen, boss. This is the place where always updated code will be maintained. This is the place from where releases will happen. And this one kind of folder, don't think much. Trunk or master branch is a folder where initial project code will be maintained and latest project code will be maintained, and all releases will happen from this, all testings will happen from this, guys. So all hot happenings will take place in the trunk or master branch. Okay, now listen carefully. First, we created a project, initial 10-15 days. Don't worry about the numbers. I'll explain the numbers later. Initial 10-15 days, we work on the project one from the trunk or master branch only. Until first level stability comes in the coding, 10-15 days we work on the master branch by collecting the pros one from trunk or master branch. Clear? Okay, guys, now listen carefully. After that, project leader noticed, development is going very slow. Anyhow, we achieved first level stability. Okay, let's divide the team into two parts. Let's divide the team into two parts. Hey, part 1, you work on payment. Part 2, you work on net banking module. A part 1, you work on payment module. A part 2, you work on net banking module. Okay, part 1 will work on UPA payment. Was 1 minute. Okay, let you worry about UPA payment. A part 2, you work on net bank. Tell me what happens, There is one more folder called branches folder, guys. There is one more folder called branches folder. Come on, guys. In this branches folder, 2 branches will be created. In this branches folder, 2 branches will be created. Branch 1. Okay, this is branches folder. This is branch 1. Pros 1 payment. Next. Pros 1 payment. Understanding my statement. Branch 2. 1 minute. It's my mistake, guys. 1 minute. Here also I will take pros 1 net banking only. Here also I will take pros 1 net banking. Clear, boss? Pros 1 net banking. Pros 1 net banking. Understanding my statement, boss? Are you with me? Pros 1 net banking. Okay, guys. Forget about this. Pros. Okay. Leave it this. Net banking. Yeah. I'll come to this perfectly. Super perfectly I'll come to this. Listen carefully. Yeah. Tell me what's exactly happening here, boss? What exactly taking place? 10-15 days, project is created. 10-15 days, all team members will commit the code into trunk or master branch. All team members will commit the code into trunk or master branch. Super. After that, until I say over, till that time don't come to one conclusion whether it is easy or tough, because level by level I have to introduce. Then what is that? After 10-15 days are over, first level stability has come. The project leader divided the team into 2 parts, saying that we have to speed up the process. Okay, then what he has done? By coming to branches folder, he created how many branches, boss? By coming to branches folder, he created how many branch? 2 branches. Pros 1 payment, UPA payment, Pros 1 net banking. Yeah, see guys, from here, whatever 10-15 days code is there now, a copy of a copy of uh, a copy of the trunk will be there in branch 1. On that UPA payment coding will be added. Copy of process 1 after 10-50 days will be there in branch 2. On that, what is there? On that net banking coding will be added. On that net banking coding will be added. Understood my statement, guys? Uh, so UPA payment they have taken 20-25 days. Net banking coding they have taken 10-15 days. Okay, once their functionalities are completed, tested, everything, again it will be merged back to trunk. Again it will be merged back to trunk. So that means what? Branches are taken for what purpose, guys? Branches are deviations taken from the trunk to complete certain functionality. Once functionality is completed and tested on the branch, it will be merged back to trunk. It will be merged back to trunk. Is it not interesting, Babu? Okay. Look at the same thing through numbering, boss. A. In project repository, trunk is created. In project repository, trunk is created. No. I'm not talking about, see, all these operations will be done by a team leader from his Eclipse ID. Okay, from his Eclipse ID, but it will be happening among the directories of the repository, project repository. A, trunk creation. B, project is initial project is kept in the trunk. On that, entire team will work for 10-15 days. On that, entire team will work for 10 until they get first level stability. That means basic features are completed. Once basic features or basic platform comes in the application, boss, in the project, boss, once project leader decides, okay, from here onwards, different features can be developed parallelly based on this basic foundation. That confidence comes, right? Okay, project leader goes to branches section or branches section. Come on, guys, and he creates the multiple branches and makes by dividing the team into multiple parts. Okay, he will make multiple teams, multiple sub teams working on the multiple branches to complete the respective functionalities. Okay, branch is nothing but a copy of master branch or trunk. Okay, from on which certain functionality will be completed. On which a certain functionality will be completed. Right now, boss? Tell me, guys. Okay. So, branch 1 team has taken 25 days time to complete all the functionality, boss. Okay. Branch 2 has taken 10-15 days. Once everything is over, again, these branches code will be merged back to whom? This branches code will be merged back to trunk or not? This branches code will be merged back to trunk or not? That is nothing but master. Master is quite old terminology. Nowadays, people are calling it as master branch. Nowadays, people are calling it as master branch. Okay, guys. Now listen. I'll explain the numbers in a moment. Okay. After that, what happens, guys? Once, okay, it is ready for release. One. Let us assume master branch is code after all mergings with the branches. All mergings from the branches. Let us assume master branch is ready for release, guys. They release from master branch only. It's not like that they don't release from master branch. Okay, they release from master branch only, boss. But they just maintain one copy of released code as a tag. Understanding my statement, boss? As a tag, they just are once a release done, but still more functionalities will be added by merging more branches to master na. But if someone asked, what you have released, give me the code. There should be a backup. There should be a backup. Our client said, and I lost my released code. Give me next released code one more time. Suppose if you depend upon the master, on that master more workings will happen, more code will be added, more branches will be merged, right? So we'll be having that latest code. No, we'll be having old code. Always it maintains latest code. That's why what they do on safe side, they create the tags. For every release, they create a tag. Whatever they release, they maintained as what? One released code. This is for demo release. This is for release 1. And interestingly, these are read-only, boss. Once you create the tags, boss, we cannot touch the tags. They are fixed code. No one can modify them. No one can add anything to them. No one can delete anything from them because they are just representing released codes. They are representation of released codes, guys. Understanding my statement? So both are going to be read only. So once again, see the numbering perfectly, boss. Entire magic is there. A, trunk or master branch is created. B, for initial project, TL has kept the project. Entire team connected to what? Master branch, pros 1. Code sharing is happened. Okay, until basic platform comes. Base platform comes in the coding. So they work on the master branch only. What do you mean by that? Commit, push, pull, fetch, all operations happens on the master branch only. What do you mean by getting basic platforms, sir? Array, basic directory structure, adding basic jar files, okay, basic classes, basic modules division, basic UI screen, 1-2 UI screen. Until first level stability should come now, boss. So boss, the moment they started Flipkart project, they cannot get into payment module. First of all, basic screen should be ready, na? Where payment hyperlink should come, right? When you click on payment hyperlink, payment activity should happen. Until that payment hyperlink designing is not over, okay, that is foundation is preparation about that. That means we can say foundation is under preparation, right? 10-15 days they will work like this. After that, once basic platform comes, what happens? That is A, B, C. See, guys? Taken the copy of, everyone see this? Taken the copy of master branch after 10-15 days. Taken the copy of master branch after 10-15 days. Observe very carefully, guys. This is C, boss. C. Branch 1 is created. Branch 1 is created. Tell me, on that what happened? 20-25 days are worked. And after that, tell me, see, you can create branches parallelly or you can create branches one by one. That's up to you. Why they will not work on trunk gas? They kept first level stability code. Until next level stability comes, they will work on the branch. See, guys, next what happened? F, they created another branch on net banking. There also they decided to work on what? 10-15 days. Okay, in this 10-15 days, all pull, push, commit, everything in this one. Testing also in this one. Then they will merge it to what? Master branch. Then they will merge it to what? Master branch. Okay, boss. Tell me next one. Okay, first what they have done? Okay, once everything is over, guys, so they will go for what? Release related. Whatever they release, they put into the tag. Whatever they release, they put into the tag, boss. Whatever they release, they put into the tag. That's it, guys. We'll see practicals also. If you have to understand practical means you have to habituate with the terminal. You have to habituate with the terminal. Then only you will enjoy this. I hope you got the basic clarity, boss. Yeah, this is how the the project repository in the Git or SVN looks. Okay, tell me, boss. Initial 15 days, where we work, where we keep the project on which we work. Initial 10-15 days, I want reply from you. Reply from you. Master branch or trunk, right boss? Perfect. Tell me. Once code comes to first level stability, to add more new functionalities, we work on master branch or we will move to branches. We'll move to branches. I want to develop 4-5 features parallelly, simultaneously. So better to work on master branch or better to take multiple branches? Better to work on master branch or better to work on multiple branches? Multiple branches, right? Okay, when branch level coding is happening, all commit push pull operations happens on trunka branch coda. Trunka branch coda. All commit push pull operations are happening on branch coda, trunk coda. And dirty fellows, when branches are under development, why they will push and commit to trunkara? No common sense, Mr. Suresh. When work is happening in the branches code, all commit push pull operation takes places on branches or trunka. Small twist, you will be caught, guys. Worst fellows. When entire work is happening on the branches, why they will do commit push pull operation on the trunk? Tell me, you joined in IBM company and you will do coding of Infosys, No, na? In which you joined, there only you will work, right? Tell me, boss. Release of the project takes place from where? Trunka, tagga. Trunka, tagga. I know people says a tag only. Are my dear worst fellows, listen. Release of the project will happen from trunk. What is being released will be remembered and created as a tag. People are not focusing. Release of the project always happens from master. On the day of release, no development activities will happen. Only release will happen. What is being released, that will be marked and tagged into the tag section. Sir, on the day of release also if development happens, nothing will happen. On the day of release, what branches they want to merge, they will merge. What kind of testing they want to do, they do it. Tag always maintains a released copy that is taken from the master. Why they will maintain? For future reference. Tomorrow client should not say you have not released. Client say, what you released, I lost it, give me again, means we should have. Or if client says, in previous release so and so bug is there, solve it. Then we should have something, na? We should have something to work on, right, boss? Yeah, now look at this, guys. Trunk, master branch. It is the folder. It is the folder where initial project will be kept. Basic features of project will be developed by taking code from trunk. Once basic features are ready and code comes to stable state, right now, boss? No compile time errors. Then branches will be created. All releases will happen from trunk after performing sanity test. Sanity test is nothing but test before release, guys. Sanity test. After merging all the branches before release also, they do sanity test. That means they will run the regular test cases. They run the regular test cases, testers testing everything, boss. Test before the release. Trunk should always maintain stable code and latest code. Stable code and latest code. That means whatever code we are committing in the trunk, no compilation errors. Okay, when I say stable code, no compilation errors. Anyhow, that is rare, boss. Why? Every developer in his Eclipse IDE, he will test the code. He is testing the code means no compile time errors. No compile time errors. Then only will push to the what is the central repository. Then only will push to the central repository. What do you say, guys? Tell me, boss. In Git environment, this directory structure will be there in central repository, also in local repository. Why? Local repository is the copy of central repository, na boss? Local repository is the copy of central repository, na boss? I want reply. Yeah, look at the branch. A Qatar copy of trunk. It's a copy only most of the time. A certain version or revision to develop different features. Once features development are completed, the branches will be merged back to trunk. That's what I said now. Once UPA payment is done, it will be merged back to trunk. Once net banking feature is done, it will be merged back to trunk. Right, boss? Tag. A Qatar copy of trunk that indicates what is being released to the client. Listen, release will often happen from the trunk only. What is being released to client or what is being demonstrated for client is called a tag. What is being demonstrated to the client is called a tag. I hope you convinced it, boss. I hope you convinced it, boss. 1 minute. Okay, now I started giving one practice. Okay, here some numbers are there now, boss. With respect to diagram, whatever it is, field diagram, whatever it is. With respect to diagram, boss. Tell me, guys. The admin only branch copy will be gone to tag. No, sir. From trunk to tag will. One Prakash, after listening entire Ramayana, you are asking who is Sita, you know. Project release will happen from where? Come on. Project release will happen from where? Trunk. And then why they will keep the branch code in the tag? Dirty fellow, worst fellow. Do mistakes, right? Try to do wise mistakes. Try to do wise mistakes. Don't do this kind of stupid mistakes. This fellow is asking me, sir, branch code will be maintained in the tag, sir. Then what the hell you listen so far? Tags will maintain released code. Release will happen from where? Who is this fellow?
Who is this fellow?
Manu Prakash, either get up from the sleep, stop playing from the mobile, or get out of the meeting. Because what mistake you have done is a blunder mistake. This indicates you are not at all listening the class. You are just seeing the side headings. Just seeing the side headings. It's not going to work out. I request everyone, please throw your mobiles away. I request everyone, sit and listen the class. Those are laying on the bed, please stop doing it. It's not good for you, it's not good for IT industry, it's not good for Git also. It's really not good for Git. You will say, I know Git. What's the use of learning like that? I'm asking one question, boss. When you are watching movie in the theater, you will be focused person or relaxed person? Definitely focus will be there. Then only you'll understand movie, right? But in the movie watching, what you get? Only entertainment. But if you learn these courses, what you will get? You will get a beautiful career. Based on your career, your professional life is decided. If your professional life is good, then only personal life will be good. Am I right? Without good professional life, do you think you'll be having great personal life? Yes, possible. When your father is Ambani. When your father is Ambani, then only possible, right?
వీటికే దగ్గు వస్తున్నాయి పాపం.
But when your father is a normal person, so professional life decides the personal life or not. Yes. Now it is only even for both boys and girls. Maybe for girls, though your professional life is not good, personal life may be great if you get a good match. but for boys, no option.
అమ్మాయిలకు ఆప్షన్ ఉందంట.
For boys, no option, right? Tell me, in girls' life, what happens? If nothing is happening, marriage will happen. No job, no studies, that means what will happen? Marriage will happen, right? In boys' life, what happens? Until something happens, marriage will not happen. Until something happens, marriage will not happen. Agree with me? Until you become something, marriage will not happen. So that's why don't ever compare your lifestyle with the girl's lifestyle. These are the life facts, guys. But for girls, you want to be financially independent, try to be a working girl. And all starts with what? Listening the class. That requires what? Focus. Not the mobile phone, not other things. So my request is everyone, please throw your mobile away. Don't touch the mobile when class is going on. Yeah, in this costly world, guys, in this corporate world, in this costly world, nowadays both should work, guys. Financial responsibility should be taken by both, no doubt in that. Super. See, boss, see the problem with the government sector jobs or bank jobs or IAS, IPS jobs are very less number of vacancies, more competition. And moreover, not only talent, other parameter comes into picture. Reservations, XYZs. But IT industry is the only sector, only your talent will be deciding the job. No other factors comes into picture. Even references also will not come into picture. PM comes and says, this is my banda, give me job. In IT sector, company may not consider. Why? If it is administration job, they may consider. If it is coding job, they never consider. Why? Because at the end, you should sit and write the code, right? So that's why you are in a great domain of learning and a great market of job opportunities. Good number of job opportunities are there. Good competition is there. But no other parameters matters. Only your subject matters. Look at the bank jobs. When openings will come, God only knows. Look at the IAS, IPS, 300 seats will be there. And look at the other government jobs. When recruitment starts, they don't know. For years together, recruitments will not be announced, right? But in IT sector, that problem is there. No, not there. And moreover, if you become IAS, IPS or government job holder, you have to work under a politician who is a brainless fellow. But in IT industry, that problem is there. You can be independent guy, white collar job. Foreign opportunities are more. Yes or no? Na? Income is more. Lifestyle is great. So that's why if you don't respect it, boss, if you don't respect it now, if you don't take it seriously, you are the loser. Fancy lifestyle, your dream lifestyle will be fulfilled if you settled in IT industry, boss. If you settled in IT industry. Clear? Super. With respect to the diagram, tell me, the admin, the DevOps person creates the repository. The DevOps person creates a repository in what is this? Git or SVN central repository. Git or this one central repository. B. Having folders, trunk, comma, branches, comma, tags. Sometimes they come automatically, sometimes we have to create manually. That depends upon the software we choose, guys. Yeah, guys. Tell me, boss, the TL keeps the initial project one into the trunk, and request the team to work on pros one of trunk. Okay. 10 to 15 days until basement of the project is ready. Pros one is ready. Basement of the pros one is ready. The basement of the pros one is ready. After that, what is next, guys? C. What C will do? The TL creates branch one having the copy of the trunk code. Trunk code. Next, D boss. The team one. Otherwise one. Team works on. Tell me, branch one for 20-25 days. Okay. For 20-25 days to complete UPA payment feature. UPA payment features. Next, guys, E. Okay, guys. TL merges the branch one code to trunk. Merges the branch one code to trunk. Next one is what, boss? Come on, tell me. F. TL means team leader. TL creates L creates branch 2. Branch 2, come on. As the copy from trunk code. As the copy from trunk code. G, guys. T, T work on branch 2.
పోయింది.